Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have earnings on Warriorplus and want to withdraw them? Here's a simple guide to help you transfer your funds. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Warriorplus account using your username and password. Now go to your dashboard and click on the affiliate or vendor menu, depending on where your earnings are accumulated. Navigate to the wallet section to view your available balance. Make sure your balance meets the minimum withdrawal requirement. If you haven't already linked your payment method, Warrior Plus typically allows withdrawals through PayPal or bank transfers. Follow the prompts to connect a account securely. Now enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the details and click confirm. Keep in mind, withdrawals may take a few business days to process. And that's it. Your withdrawal request has been submitted. Just sit back and wait for the funds to appear in your account. Thanks for watching.